Hi there! Today I've got a quick tip to help keep your phone running smoothly and your photos organized. Let's talk about why it's important to regularly delete unwanted photos from your phone. Deleting unwanted photos saves valuable space on your phone, so you won't run out of storage as quickly. It makes it much easier to find the photos you love and want to keep. And it helps you focus on your best pictures by removing the ones that you don't need. Now, how do you do it? It's simple. Look through your photos often and delete blurry or duplicate pictures. When you have multiple similar photos, just keep the best shot. You can be brave with this. It can be hard to let go of some of those photos, but remember, photos are not permanently deleted for 30 days. You can always retrieve them from the trash if you change your mind. So try to set aside a few minutes every now and then to tidy up your photos. Your phone will thank you, and you'll have a much easier time finding those special memories. I'd like to take some time now to provide a demo of exactly how that looks. For our demo, I'm going to be using an iPhone, but it'll be the same if you're on an Android as well. We are going to be looking in the Photos app right now. And within this Photos app, I have quite a few pictures that I don't necessarily want anymore in an album called Camera Roll. As you can see, there's just tons and tons of pictures, and I can hit that select button at the top right to start selecting individual pictures, or I can swipe my finger across the screen and it will select multiple pictures in one go. So I'm going to scroll up to the top of the album and I'm going to click the select button and then select all the pictures and drag my finger to the bottom of the screen, and that will allow it to scroll to the bottom of the screen. Now that all are selected, I can hit that trash can icon at the bottom right and click delete 90 items. Those photos are deleted, however they are not permanently deleted from my device, because anything that I delete, it will be saved in a folder for up to 30 days. That makes it so you can easily retrieve it. So we're looking at the storage on my phone just to show that I've still got 1 gigabyte of storage. That shows that those photos have not been permanently deleted. So what I need to do is I need to go into my photos album again, but instead this time I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to my recently deleted tab at the bottom there. You can see it a little bit better there in that screen, and that's where all of your pictures after you delete them are going to be saved. So you can hit the little icon up at the top right to select once again, delete all of the items, and poof, they're gone. They are no longer going to be a part of your storage. So back in the settings app, looking at that storage page once again, we can see that Photos is no longer taking up over 1 gigabyte of space. Photos is now only taking up 33.9 megabytes of space. So that's a quick, easy way to delete photos off of your phone. Thank you for watching, and I hope now you are a little bit more tech-wise.